Hi guys, what's up? Wagwan bonjour and welcome back to another video. Today we are here at Mystic Mountain. Stay tuned for all the fun and activities.
Everything I do it with a passion. With a passion. With a passion. And
Loudly good. Hey, left them. Yeah, watch it. What's poppin', Lyndon? Testing, testing. What are we doing? Make it pop. Hey! Hey! No, sir! You're not treated like this at all! Oh my god! Father God, I have you. Have mercy, Father God. And this operation will continue and continue till the Lord He comes.
Why you don't go in nearby bushes?
That's it.
This operation is going to continue until the Lord Almighty comes for the world.
This operation, he escaped in the nearby bushes.
I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized by these eyes. I'm so happy, I can't mesmerized. I'm so happy.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Cool and steady, cool running.
My video girl, I'm like how you back, I'm like how you want to video. Look now, that one of them in the mood, so we're going in the mood, and the queen here, look, now you see it, right?
Hola.
I show the card and you're looking for this card to win, okay? These two you lose, right? I want to go on the internet.
See, this was the queen.
Where you go? Look now, now you see it.
That was the queen.
Look now, you have to focus, that's why you're not taking up the wrong thing. Show me queen now, turn it up. Turn it up, Mikey. Show me 500 and collect. You win a
No, I don't want to.
Yeah, come on, get away.
Hold on, I have better bills.
100 to buy drink. 200
I want to get back my friend money.
200
No,
buy.
it's
See,
not.
I'm take you. Look, see,
Yeah?
look.
Hey, look.
Look, no, you see. Look, you have to watch the card and take out the right card. Ready? 200 gear 5, pay and take it. Turn it up. Turn up on the card you want, turn up. Turn up the thing. Turn up the thing.
He said it. Give me 500. You said 200, give 5, you know.
I said 200, you put 5, I get 1,000, you get 200 and 200. Look.
You said 200, give 5.
Look now.
That's one strict thing, you know. That me don't pick, you know. Me don't see that.
No.
I think I want to side.
Pick up that.
I want it,
50 man.
Sorry.
50 man.
Come like you going down.
You want to go share along that?
You have to follow him. I didn't know, sir.
Who get the expert today? Say bye. There must have time we end this vlog, yeah. Don't you? Because it did for don't put in the bottom because we reach a ton. I do, yo. So we gotta get Burger King. You know, all along one Burger King from before, from when girl. No sponsors. Normally this is what we finally get burger from first time since the quarantine. First time we get burger together since the year started. Facts. Girl. This how we meet. This how we meet, like when you don't understand. Burger. I will make it in a life. We still are gonna buy the junior and still gonna talk like our meal. Girl. I will come at home. I love you, baby. I love you. I told me come get the burger. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Today has been such an epic day. Please comment down below your favorite part of the video. And remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share with a friend.